Hey my sexy YouTubers, hey everyone, today I'm good, thanks for asking. Okay, so my dermal piercings, and I'm so sorry I never made a video on these. And this is take 2 of this video because I took it and epically failed spilling everything. So I'm sorry, I'm just going to show you how I clean it and what the process was. Now the process for me wasn't so bad, like I don't really mind pain, like look, have you seen the bloody piercings I've had? Have you bloody seen them? Like, every time I'm scared to go get a piercing, my mom's like, oh, look at all the piercings you've had. I'm like, true. So, I can handle pain like a master, so it's okay. But the process of getting this done is more like a normal piercing, and it hurts way less, like, than a normal piercing. Like, out of my lip and my dermal hurt, like, I couldn't even feel it. Like, the only thing you feel is them pinching your skin. So, if you want this piercing, go ahead and get it. It's the best piercing in the whole. Well, I have 3 of them. I originally had these 2 done. Why is it going red? I keep knocking all my piercings. Alright, this one looks really freaking red. And I originally had these 2, then I got that one because, you know, I want to look like a robot. So I love my unicorn. So I'm just gonna put my unicorn here for now because I'm a bitch like that. So what they do is they pinch your skin, and they have the skank. I'll just see if I can get you a photo of what the foot looks like. So, alright guys, and I finally got a photo of what the bar looks like the bar of the dermal. But there's 2 sorts of bars you can have in, but this is the one I have in my skin. So sorry. That's the foot and the head. So the foot is long because they push it in and then they twist it so it locks in your skin. And you can get these taken out if you choose to, but I wouldn't. I'm not gonna do that shit. So yeah, like I told you, I'm good with pain, so I really can't tell you how yours is gonna feel. But it doesn't hurt. Like, you can't really feel it. And I'm gonna show you how I clean. My dermals. So what you're gonna need is a wipe, like a sanitary wipe, 2 cotton buds, and piercing spray. And this is Hygienic Oral Piercing Aftercare Spray. Pro tip, I got this from Off Your Tree in Melbourne, but I live in Queensland now. I miss that place so much. So what you're gonna do is you have this wipe for a reason. You clean the edges of these, blah blah blah. Whatever, and then you clean around the surface of this just to make sure it's all sanitary. Okay. And you grab your thing and you open the lid of this. This doesn't smell good. And you dip it in, and don't be a dickhead like I was and spill it. And you just go around the area, making sure not to bloody hurt yourself, because been there, done that, and that freaking hurts. And just because I'm worried, I just want to clean the surface of this. And there's really not much to it, because dermals heal really quickly. Let's go clean my septum while I'm at it. So this is what happens. I clean one piercing, and then I clean everything else. So basically, I'm just gonna go over it again. I got 3, and on a pain level from 1 to 10, didn't feel it at all. So if you're looking to get this piercing, I suggest go getting it, because it's the best piercing I can actually imagine. If I had to choose out of the lip piercing and a normal piercing, I will get a dermal piercing. Wait, what the fuck did I say? If I had to choose out of a dermal piercing and a lip piercing, I choose a dermal piercing any day. I absolutely love them. They're so cute. Like, when you wear a bikini or singlets and shit, people do look at you like, what the hell, is she, a robot or something? No. But piercings make me me. They make me feel like I can go out and I can be who I am. I can dress the way I want to dress, knowing I've got piercings. Piercings is what shows the better side of me. Like, if I had no piercings in, if I had to take every single piercing out, I'd be so sad. I wouldn't even step foot out of the house, because that piercings, even if people can't see my piercings, I feel complete. So I really don't care what people say about me. But if I had to take out all my piercings, I'd cry. And one time I had to take out my lip piercing and I cried so much. I cried for 1 hour in the mirror because I'd take it out. I've had to take out so many piercings, and I'm sorry for these pimples. But I'll be doing the reason why I'm making the makeup is because I'll be doing a makeup tutorial after this. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and goodbye. Love you all my little unicorns. Subscribe.